Ready to go global with Walmart? I'll show you how to do it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. All right, so you can see on Walmart, our client already generated a sale for over $109 in chili, Walmart chili. So it's definitely possible to generate sales in and on Walmart. Now, what you're going to do is log into your Walmart account, just like you'd log into your Walmart US account. Then you're going to go into the top right corner, and then you're just going to add your marketplace. We've got Canada, Mexico, Chile. If it says it's unavailable, take a screenshot, and then you're going to contact Walmart service, customer service, and explain to them that you want to be eligible and for them to turn it on. Walmart does have the ability to switch it on, so you're eligible to expand to different marketplaces. Now what you're going to do is click Add Canada, for example, and then we're going to add Canada. Canada is probably going to be one of the easiest to add because if you speak English, you write English, you can most likely do the same with Canada. So we're going to click Setup. And then when you click Setup, it's going to take a second, and then it's going to take you to this page, and it's going to be like, hey, it's going to say your name or welcome, bro. And then you're going to add all of the details. So the first one is market details. You're just going to add your information in, and then you're going to accept it. Now, it's very, very, very easy to get approved in these marketplaces since you've already been approved in Walmart USA. It's not like you have to go through some crazy approval. Since you are approved in Walmart USA, it's going to be extremely easy. And then the next page is going to be Manage Fulfillment. So most likely you're going to do seller fulfilled first, right? Where you're shipping it from the US to Canada. And then you can try to start with that. There's also recommended, obviously, WFS. They want you to do WFS, but then you'll have to ship a bulk load of your items into Canada, right? If you are shipping to Canada at all, then I do recommend utilizing UPS or FedEx to start, and then you can get a good freight forwarder. Next is going to be getting paid. So to get paid, all you have to do is set up, right now they have Payoneer or Ping Pong, right? And I've used both of them. They're both really, really good. I like Payoneer better, but Ping Pong is easier to use. And finally, after that, you just need to make sure everything's approved. So the setup payments sometimes takes a week. Add details, manage fulfillment usually take 24 hours to update and get approved. The manage payments usually takes a week. And even if you're automatically approved, it still takes a week. It just is what it is, right? But once you're officially approved, then you can set up your catalog and start getting sales. You can just go to your catalog, create products, and then you're good to go. Now, something that I do want to note is if you are in Canada, you can click Ship with Walmart. And they have this special program you can sign up, and it's an affiliate ground, right? And here's the benefits. So save with Walmart negotiated shipping rates, free assistance with obtaining a Canadian business number, cross-border item classification, right? So this is a way to reach millions of customers in Canada very easily. So you can ship with Walmart, and pretty much it's like a way where Walmart pretty much helps you ship to the customers from US to Canada, right? And you get a personal consultation. I mean, Walmart's making this as easy as possible. So you might as well go through this and test this out as well, and then start this setup so that way you can ship with Walmart. It's pretty awesome, very exciting, and expanding to these platforms and doing it properly will increase sales. Just remember, you need to manage these platforms. Every time you log in, every single day, check your Canada, check your Mexico, check your Chile, and check your United States to make sure everything is good to go. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to help you manage your designs, your listing quality score, get you that pro seller Walmart badge, and make sure everything is A-OK, aka making sure your sales increase on a regular basis, which isn't that difficult on Walmart if you know what you're doing. We're here to help you save time, money, and of course, increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.